This Hbase is another example of a non-relational data management environment. Okay, this is an example for a non-relational data management environment. This Hbase, this distributes the massive data set over the underlying Hadoop framework. Okay, so Hbase is derived from the Google's Big Table, and this Hbase is a column-oriented data layout. Okay, so this is a non-relational data management environment. Here, the dataset is distributed over the Hadoop framework, and this is derived from the Google's Big Table, and this follows the column-oriented layout. Okay, these are the main terms that you have to know in terms of Hbase. So why Hbase? So these are the reasons why Hbase is required. So RDBMS, relational database management systems, it becomes very slow when the data increases. Okay, so the data as the data increases, the performance of RDBMS gets slow. So this is a drawback. Okay, also this RDBMS, this expects the data to be highly structured. It handles only mostly the structured data, right? So unstructured data is not, you can't handle it using RDBMS. In such cases, that is not the case with the real-time data, right? You will come across all type of data, variety of data in the dynamic world. So in such cases, you can't go on with RDBMS. So also, if you want to change any schema, then that is not that much easier task in RDBMS. Okay, but these all can be done with Hbase. That is the reason why we are moving for Hbase. So this is the logo of the Apache Hbase, and here the data is stored in the columnar layout. Okay, and it increases the amount of data that can be represented, thereby decreasing the actual storage footprint. Okay, the storage footprint is decreased, and the amount of data that you could store is increasing. Okay, so in small amount of space, you could store more data. That is the meaning. And this Hbase, this supports in-memory execution. So you need not take it import for some other mechanism for framework for execution. This Apache Hbase supports in-memory execution. This is one of the very promising feature of this Apache Hbase. This is the special functionality of this Hbase, even you could say like that. Okay, in-memory execution. So Hbase, this is used to organize the data. Okay, and here this Hbase is coupled with the performance provided by the aspects of columnar orientation. Okay, because it can be used as to organize the data sets, and it could be coupled with the performance. Because of these reasons, you choose this Hbase, this storage paradigm when running MapReduce applications. This is the reason why Hbase is chosen when running the MapReduce applications. These are the advantages of using Hbase. So this is a great tool for analytics, along with the usage of Hadoop MapReduce, and it handles large volume of data, license free, fault tolerant, okay, flexible with respect to schema design. If you want to change any schema design, you could do so with this Hbase, but that is not possible with the cases of, that is not that much easy in case of normal RDBMS. Okay, and multiple integrations such as with Hive for SQL like queries, this is also possible in this Hbase, and auto failover and auto sharding. So all these failover and sharding concepts, these are all automatic here in this Hbase. So these are the various advantages of using Hbase. So Hbase is a non-relational data management environment, okay, that distributes a massive data set. Okay, and this Hbase is derived from the Google's Big Table, and the main term you have to remember here is this follows column oriented data layout. Okay, so these are the things which we have learnt in this session.